You don't need a big platform or a fancy degree to earn online. If you have a phone and a clear voice, you can start selling voiceovers for YouTube Shorts, Reels, and TikToks. Thousands of creators want to tell stories, run ads, or post facts, but they don't want to record themselves. That's where you come in. Here's how to get started. Test your voice. Use your phone and apps like Voice Recorder or Audacity. Practice speaking clearly, emotionally, and at a steady pace. Pick your niche. You can voice over motivational scripts, educational reels, TikTok story times, product explainer videos. Create a demo. Record 3 to 4 sample clips, 15 to 60 seconds each. Use royalty-free scripts or write simple lines like, "Here's a story you won't believe." Stop scrolling. This will change your mindset. Set up your service. List on Fiverr, Upwork, or create a Gumroad store where creators can purchase short VO clips. Optional. Use tools like ElevenLabs or Play.ht if you want to offer AI-generated voices. Just be transparent with clients. The market for short-form video is exploding, and so is the need for good narration. You don't need to promise results. Just offer quality, fast delivery, and clarity. With consistency and practice, your voice could become your quiet online asset. Subscribe to The Inner Light for smart hustle strategies that actually work.